Today we're going to be doing broken china makeup. It's going to be loosely inspired by these nail stickers, so let's get right into it. So first things first, we're going to dip into our Athena palette and we're going to do some white spots over our face, a little on our neck, and like one spot on our chest. So we're going to start off by dipping into the white and we're going to put it right up here. This is going to be the first spot that we're going to make look kind of like broken china. So we're going to put another spot like right here. It'd be cool to do like kind of here too. Now for the neck. Looking good, looking good. So just to make the white a little bit more like dense, we're going to go over it with the Danessa Myricks Color Fix matte in the shade Lift. I just put it on a little palette, probably more than I need, but that's what we'll start with. Do you see how white that is? Like, it's really nice. And now we let it dry. So I'm just taking my Sephora eyeliner pencil or eyeshadow pencil and we're going to fill it in. And now I'm just going to set it with this eyeshadow. Just like this. So now that everything is all set, we're going to use this stencil and we're going to dip into our Natasha Denona palette into this like super bright blue, and we're going to start getting this pattern on my face. So let's start up here first. And we're just going to tap in. We're going to have to go in quite a few times, obviously. All right, let's take the first section off and pray to God. Yes. 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 All right, I'm going to do that to the rest of them, and I will see you in a minute. It is literally looking amazing. We're just going to clean up the edges, and then we're going to add like a gold outline. So everything is cleaned up. We're going to dip into our Mayron Gold and put an outline on this. My goodness, does a little bit ever go a long way? All right, so I'm going to look in the mirror, and I'm going to try and outline these like the best of my ability. So I am going to outline the rest and I will see you in a minute. And this is the final look. What do we think? I absolutely love this. I'm gonna get my husband to react to this because this was actually his like full idea. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.